If you just finished learning TypeScript, you've probably opened a React project and thought, okay, where do I even start? Every prop, every state, every function suddenly needs a type. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a React plus TypeScript project. Why React plus TypeScript? TypeScript in React isn't about typing for the sake of it. It catches the bugs that normally show up at 2 a.m. in production, like passing a number where a component expects a string, or forgetting a prop entirely. Once you see it catch a real bug for you, you won't want to go back. Step 1. Scaffold with Vite. npm create vite at latest myapp, myapp-template, React TS, npm install, npm run dev. Narration. We're using Vite because it's fast and the React TS template gives us TypeScript pre-configured, no manual setup needed. Step 2. Tour the project structure. Open the file tree. Point out tsconfig.json, tsconfig.app.json, vite-env.d.ts, and that .tsx extension on app.tsx. Explain in one sentence each. tsconfig.json, the master TypeScript config. tsconfig.app.json, compiler options for your app code. vite-env.d.ts, type definitions for Vite's envars. app.tsx. .tsx equals JSX plus TypeScript in one file. .tsx versus .ts. Quick thing before we move on, why is it app.tsx and not app.ts? Simple. .tsx tells TypeScript this file contains JSX, those angle bracket tags like div and button. If you try to write JSX inside a plain .ts file, TypeScript will throw errors because it thinks you're trying to write a type assertion, not markup. Rule of thumb, any file with JSX in it is .tsx. No JSX, just .ts. Your first typed component. Step 1. Start with no types, show the problem. Function user card, name, age is online. page age. pp is online, online, offline. pdiv. Narration. Notice TypeScript is already complaining. Name, age, and is online all have an implicit any type. That's TS telling us, I don't know what these are yet, you need to tell me. Step 2. Add a props interface. Interface user card props. Name string, age number. Is online. Function user card age is online. User card props. Return. Age is online. pp is online. Offline. Narration. This is the pattern you'll use in almost every component. Define an interface for your props. Name it component name props and destructure with the type right after the closing brace. Step 3. Break it on purpose. Live demo. Pass a string where age number is expected. Show the red squiggly. This is the payoff moment. React to it like a real bug caught. User card name Sarah, age 29 is online. Error. Type string is not assignable to type number. Optional props in children. Extend the same component. Don't start a new example. Interface user card props. String, age, number. Is online boolean. Bio backtype. Optional. The question makes it not required. Children, React node. For anything nested inside. Narration. The question mark after a property name means it's optional. TypeScript won't yell at you if you don't pass it. And children with type React node is how you type any component that wraps other JSX. The optional prop mistake everyone makes. Quick warning. Bio backtype and bio string underscore undefined look similar but behave differently when it comes to required props. Bio string means the caller can skip it entirely. Bio string undefined means the caller must pass something, even if that something is undefined. Most of the time you want the question mark. So today, we set up a React plus TypeScript project with Vite, learned why .tsx matters, and typed our first component's props from scratch, including optional props and children. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next.